You're packing for the trip of a lifetime. Bags wide open, clothes everywhere, and that classic lie, "I might need this too." Fast forward to you, dragging a suitcase through cobblestones, wondering why 5 pairs of shoes felt essential. What's the most useless thing you've ever packed? Drop it in the comments. No judgment. We've all packed a curling iron for the Sahara. Truth is, seasoned travelers don't pack like that. They pack smarter. And today you're getting their no BS secrets. Oh, and number 11? It's probably in your bag right now, quietly wrecking your trip. Curious? Let's unpack everything you should never pack. You've heard it 1,000 times. Always carry cash, just in case. 20 years ago, sure, that was smart travel advice. Today, pulling out a wad of bills in public practically screams, "I'm lost, vulnerable, and my wallet is yours." Here's a brutally honest reality check. These days, even Bangkok's street vendors and Mexico City's taco trucks take cards or QR codes. Lose your cash? It's gone forever. Lose a card? You freeze it in seconds, order a new one, and keep moving. That's the kind of control paper money can't give you. Savvy travelers carry only emergency cash, tucked discreetly away. They rely instead on zero-fee travel cards, Apple Pay or Google Pay, safe, convenient, and headache-free. This isn't just smarter, it's essential travel wisdom in our digital era. But cash isn't the only outdated travel advice secretly sabotaging your trips. Next up is something you swear you'll use, until you realize it's nothing but dead weight dragging you down. We've all pictured that perfect scene, sipping espresso at a quaint Parisian cafe, flipping through a classic novel by the Seine. But let's get brutally honest, between sightseeing, chasing epic selfies, and devouring way too many croissants, you'll barely glance at that 500-page brick weighing down your backpack. Veteran travelers know the truth. Books make great shelf decor, but terrible travel companions. Want to pack smarter? Grab a Kindle, download Audible, or simply use your smartphone. Instantly carry thousands of books without feeling like you're hauling a library across Europe. Save your back, ditch the deadweight, and travel lighter. Trust me, you'll thank yourself the first time you effortlessly glide onto that crowded metro. Think ditching heavy books was eye-opening? Just wait until you discover the sneaky space waster nearly every traveler falls victim to. Spoiler alert, it might be hiding in your bag right now. You've seen them on Instagram, those sleek, color-coded travel organizer kits promising a perfect packing utopia. They look great on TikTok, every sock in its own pouch, color-coded zippers, and tags that scream Pinterest Pro. Here's the brutally honest truth. Those fancy, overpriced organizers don't actually save you space, they devour it. Experienced travelers ditch the gimmicks and get creative. Fragile camera gear? Wrap it in socks or a cozy scarf? Need TSA-friendly low-bulk packing? Ziplocs do the job, quietly, efficiently, and without an influencer price tag. And for next-level packing mastery, seasoned travelers swear by lightweight dry bags. Great for electronics, toiletries, or wet gear, they're versatile, pack tiny, and never get in your way. It's the ultimate packing hack, simple, cheap, and genuinely genius. But if you thought organizer kits were the sneakiest packing trap, think again. Up next is the one habit almost every traveler does unknowingly, probably begging thieves to target them. Curious? You should be. You know the type. Strutting through security with diamond earrings, gold chains, and a Rolex flashing like a distress beacon. Here's an honest truth travelers learn the hard way. Flaunting expensive accessories doesn't win admiration. It paints a giant bullseye on your back. Think about it. Losing your grandma's heirloom ring or designer watch overseas won't just ruin your trip. It'll devastate your bank account and your peace of mind. Seasoned travelers don't roll the dice. They leave the sparkle at home, where it won't ruin their trip or trigger an insurance nightmare. Instead, embrace subtlety with inexpensive accessories, or better yet, go minimalist. Travel isn't a runway show. It's about diving into new experiences without the constant anxiety of guarding your valuables. Blending in is underrated. It's the secret weapon savvy travelers swear by. Feeling secure because you skipped flashy jewelry? Think again. Up next is the sneaky packing pitfall that every rookie traveler trips over, no matter how clever they think they are. Ready to dodge that bullet? Travel pillows seem essential, right? Every airport sells them. But here's a secret airlines won't tell you. Most international flights already give you pillows and blankets for free. Carrying your own bulky pillow around airports is cumbersome, uncomfortable, and unnecessary. Seasoned travelers dress strategically in layers, soft hoodies, comfy jackets or scarves that effortlessly double as pillows or blankets when the cabin chills kick in. No additional clutter, no awkward inflatable neck brace strapped to your bag. Still need neck support? Fair. Just get an inflatable one that packs down to the size of a sandwich. No shame, no strain. Smart travelers know comfort doesn't mean extra baggage. But if you thought bulky travel pillows were your biggest travel mistake, hold tight. Coming next is the subtle packing habit that sabotages almost every suitcase, even yours. Think you're immune? Stick around, because you've probably fallen victim without even knowing it. What if it rains? What if I suddenly become a gym rat? What if I get invited to a royal banquet? Stop right there. Freeze! Let's face it, those just-in-case items aren't safety nets. They're anchors dragging down your trip. Veteran travelers live by one savage rule. If it's useless at home, it's dead weight abroad. Admit it, you won't suddenly embrace daily workouts just because you're on vacation. That bulky hairdryer? Practically every hotel has one. An emergency raincoat? Unless you're trekking through a rainforest, leave it at home. Traveling smart means confronting reality, not imaginary scenarios. Minimalism isn't just trendy, it's your passport to effortless adventures. But hold tight, there's an even stealthier packing mistake lurking in your suitcase right now. And this one doesn't just steal space, it could cost you dearly. It's lurking quietly in your bag right now, and it might just blow your entire trip. Ready for it? You're basically hauling a mobile beauty salon, bulk shampoo, 5 lotions, and a skincare routine fit for a red carpet, not a red-eye flight. Here's the blunt truth seasoned travelers learn quickly. You're traveling, not moving houses. Most accommodations, from luxury hotels to budget hostels, already stock essential toiletries. Doubling up? Totally pointless. And it weighs down your trip before it starts. Travel pros swear by ultra-portable multifunctional solutions. Think solid shampoo bars, multi-purpose balms, or pocket-sized essentials. Everything else? Easily found at your destination. Your suitcase isn't a mobile spa. Pack like a traveler, not a walking Sephora display. And if you think toiletries are the biggest space waster in your luggage, brace yourself. Because what you're packing next could mark you as a clueless tourist faster than you can say Instagram. Want to hear it? Packing loud prints and neon outfits might feel like a fashion flex, until you realize you're basically wearing a tourist here sign. But you know what? Flashy clothes shout tourist louder than your accent ever could. Experienced travelers master the art of invisibility. They pack neutral-colored essentials. Think versatile blacks, understated grays, and timeless beiges. Pieces that seamlessly mix, match, layer, and effortlessly adapt from museum tours to rooftop dinners. A streamlined wardrobe isn't just practical, it's liberating. Less space, less stress, fewer nothing-to-wear meltdowns. Minimalism buys you something priceless, more time making memories, less time panicking over outfit combos. But before you pat yourself on the back for your newfound fashion minimalism, ask yourself this. Are you about to ruin it all by making the next packing mistake? One that secretly drains your wallet, sanity, and trip quality? That budget backpack you scored, it explodes on a train platform. Those $20 boots? RIP on mile 2. Don't learn this the hard way. Cheap gear always ends up costing double. Travel veterans know investing wisely once beats buying repeatedly. Essential gear, like a reliable backpack, durable walking shoes, or a weatherproof jacket, is worth every penny. Build your gear one solid piece at a time. It's not shopping, it's recruiting teammates for every adventure to come. Travel smart, invest well, and never pay twice for the same mistake again. But hold on, because there's one more packing blunder travelers make all the time, even the most seasoned adventurers. Think you're immune? I bet you're guilty of this seemingly harmless habit that's secretly driving immigration officers crazy. They look sleek, until you're wrestling with one at border control like it's a Rubik's Cube. But passport covers? They're the airport equivalent of wrapping your phone in duct tape. More hassle than help. The dirty secret no one tells you? Immigration officers despise them. You're that person at the immigration line, fumbling with a stubborn cover, getting side-eye from the officer, and triggering a collective sigh from everyone behind you. Travel pros know better. Keep passport covers safely at home, protecting your document between trips, not complicating them. When traveling, simplicity rules. A bare passport means smooth sailing at every border and checkpoint. Less fumbling, fewer awkward stares, and way less hassle. Ready for the ultimate travel wisdom bomb? Next, we reveal the most common and costly packing sin that travelers commit. Are you brave enough to admit you've fallen into this trap too? Let's be honest, packing for fantasy, not reality, is how you end up dragging a deadweight suitcase full of just-in-case nonsense you never touch. 5 outfits you never wore, shoes that didn't leave the bag, an emergency jacket that just made you sweat. Overpacking doesn't just slow you down, it strangles your spontaneity. A harsh travel truth, overpacking kills your freedom. Instead of effortlessly hopping between adventures, you're sweating, stressed, and slowed down by unnecessary baggage. Travel veterans embrace ruthless minimalism, one carry-on, one backpack, period. They prioritize versatile clothing, dual-purpose items, and strategic gear, so they can zip through airports, stroll city streets without fatigue, and genuinely enjoy every moment. Bottom line, less stuff equals more freedom, richer experiences, and unforgettable memories. But be brutally honest, could you really handle traveling this lean? Or would saying goodbye to that emergency sweater send you spiraling into a gateside identity crisis? Boom! Your overpacking days officially over. Say goodbye to overstuffed suitcases, aching shoulders, and packing regrets. But hey, every traveler has a hilarious or cringeworthy packing disaster story. What's yours? Share it below, and let's swap stories and strategies for better adventures. Love brutally honest, practical, and downright entertaining travel tips? Hit subscribe and join our rapidly growing Passport Nuggets community. Trust me, your spine, sanity, and airport sprinting ability will all send you a thank you note. Oh, and your next journey? It's about to get even smarter. Stick around, because what we reveal next could be the final twist that makes your passport your most powerful tool yet.